Okay, question 13. I got a puppy weighing 7.54 kilograms and now they're 3 times as much. So I need 3 lots of 7.54. So adding these up, 4, 8, 12, 5, 10, 15, 16, 7, 14, 21, 22. So my answer is 22.62. I want to find out what the number was, so when I find 20%, I get 12 as an answer. Well, going from there, I can find 10%. So if 20% is 12, 10% would be half of that, which is 6. So if 10% is 6, 100%, I would have to times by 10. 100% would be 60. If 40% is 12, to find my 10%, I would have to divide by 4. Dividing by 4 is 3. So if 10% is 3, 100% I would have to times by 10 would be 30. Dividing, how many 6s go into 30.12? How many 6s go into 3? None, carry the 3. How many 6s go into 30? 5. How many 6s go into 1? None, carry the 1. How many 6s go into 12? 2. So my answer would be 5.02. Question 16. Finding the square root of a half of 72. Well, a half of 72 is 36. And I need to square root 36. So I'm trying to find what number times itself will give you 36. And the answer is 6. Because 6 times 6 will give you 36. Question 17. 1/3 means 1 divided by 3. So to write it as a decimal, I'm seeing how many 3's go into 1. 3 doesn't go into 1, so I carry it. 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. And you can start to see a pattern. It's going to be a recurring decimal, 0.3 recurring. So writing it to 2 decimal places, I would round here. Because it's a 3, I would have to round it down. So it's going to stay as a 3, 0.33. To find the mean, I need to add up all my numbers and then divide by how many there are. And there are 5 numbers. So adding up my whole numbers first, I get 11. Adding up my fractions, I get 1.5. 11 add 1.5 is 12.5. Now I need to divide that by 5 because there are 5 numbers. How many 5's go into 12.5? 5 doesn't go into 1. 5 goes into 12 twice with 2 left over. And 5 goes into 25 5 times. So my answer is 2.5, 2.5.